mention the score of each subjects. We are going to prepare a simple automated mark sheet representing percentages of the subjects and grades and overall grade. Get the total marks. Similarly, achieved marks total. Now use the formula for percentage using the new formula if and statement. It's very simple and good formula. If there is nothing any figure available in achieved marks, this will be showing blank. We got all the percentages of subjects in all the cells. Similarly, we get the percentage overall score. Now towards the grades, we will use the formula if and assign the grades from A to D. It's a little bit lengthy formula, but this is one time hard work. When we will prepare this mark sheet, we can use it for every student and we don't have to make efforts manually to assign grades and percentages. We just have to enter just marks obtained, while other things will automatically be populated in the sheet. This is very simple and for the beginners. Approximately we have completed our formula. and this is done. This is all done, and similarly we will copy and paste to overall grade. At last we obtained our automated mark sheet now, and now we can just change the marks and we will get the percentages and grades automatically.